Good morning, dear students. As we have seen in the previous video regarding the admission of partner, combining all the 5-6 adjustments, 24 and 25, both the sums we finished. So I believe you may have enough practice while doing these 5-mark level sums. So let me recall once more those 5 adjustments involved for your sake. The capital brought in by new partner, 1. Distribution of undistributed profit and reserve, 2. Revaluation of assets and liabilities, 3. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio, 4. Treatment of goodwill, 5. And adjustment of capital on the basis of new ratio and something. So these are all the adjustments which come in this type of 5-mark level comprehensive sums. Even we completed 2 sums, 24 and 25, and now going to see this 26th sum. So in every sum maybe one may be new, but all other things more or less remain same only. Okay, Amma? Good. So let me read this sum first. Amir and Raja are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet shows under on 31st/18. Capital accounts: Amir 80, Raja 70, therefore 150. Reserve fund 15,000. Reserve fund. What is this one? If reserve fund, profit and loss account given in the old balance sheet, no, it is balance sheet adjustment soligrom. So once these items posted in the capital account, they will not come once more in new balance sheet in soligrom. Okay, therefore keep in mind, put on dot there. Next, creditors, over. Then come to asset side. Machinery, furniture, debtor, stock, prepaid, insurance, cash, so no profit and loss, nothing. Okay, so both side 2 lakhs. Now come down. Rohit is admitted as a new partner who introduced a capital of rupees 30,000 for his 1/5 share of future profits. 1/5 share. Okay, for that he brings 10,000 for his share of goodwill. Very first adjustment, can you remember, ma? When the new partner brings cash for his share of goodwill, does not bring the cash for his share of goodwill, partly he brought the goodwill, third existing goodwill, fourth part, goodwill treatment, one after one level, one on journal we passed, just. So in the 5-mark level, what's one beauty now? Journals not asked. Either too much. Revaluation account, capital account, cash account, bank account, and balance sheet lengthy da. What to do? It's given in the syllabus. We have to teach and we have to learn and we have to attend. Okay, then. So he brings 10,000 for his share of goodwill. Okay, following revaluations are made. As you know well, while reading revaluation, in the adjustment itself, you can come to know whether it's a revaluation profit item or minus items. So profit items now we have to put plus, and minus item now put minus symbol, just for our identification purpose. Okay, good. Now let me read one by one. Stock is to be appreciated to 14,000. So appreciation of a plus first plus symbol போட்டுங்க, then to 14. So already how much it was? 10,000. Yes, now increased appreciated to 14 now, so net increased value of stock is 4,000, right? So put on plus symbol and 4,000. Then 2, furniture is to be depreciated by 5%, so it's a minus item, so that put one dot in, already put one dot in stock, and now furniture one dot, 5% we will calculate later. Then and third, machinery is to be revalued at 80,000. Machinery value is now 80. What's the old ma? 60. Oh, it is increased, therefore put plus symbol. From 60 to 80, therefore 20,000, right? Yes. So these are the revaluations made there. Then prepare the necessary ledger accounts and balance it after that. That's all. They didn't mention revaluation account, capital account sollama. It understood that we are supposed to prepare revaluation account, capital account, bank account, and balance it. Okay, good. Now let me proceed first with the revaluation account. So start with the revaluation. See here, revaluation account. So as you know very well, revaluation account comes under normal account. So all the expenses, losses is debited, and all the incomes and gains are credited. So here first and fourth item is profit item, therefore the journal may be stock account debtor, machinery account debtor to revaluation. So the profit items to be posted in credit side, therefore buy stock 4,000 and buy machinery 20,000. Then only one last item, furniture to be depreciated by 5%. Now furniture how much? 40,000 la 5% போட்டீங்கன்னா 2,000 வரும். Therefore to furniture. That's all. Only 3 revaluations, the 2 profit item, 1 loss item. Therefore if you balance this now, 4 plus 20, 24, then 24 minus 2, 22. Yes, this 22 is the revaluation profit, which is shared by the partners in the ratio of 3:2. Therefore 2 capital account போட்டுமா Amir's and Rajas. 3 by 5 போட்டிங்கன்னா 13,200 for the first partner, and second partner Rajasma 8,800. Therefore transfer outer column 22,000. Okay, that's all regarding revaluation account. Now shall we go to capital account ma? Yes, see capital account as usual, what I taught even in the previous sum itself. We are supposed to open another one more third column, so with the LF column. So keep that column for first partner, and the inner column second partner, and outer column third partner in the both side. As usual, put all punctuation marks and debit credit everything. Then now, so we know very well the capital account always begins with by balance brought down opening balance. So what is given in the sum? Go to back to the sum. How much capital? Amir 80 and Raja 70. Now in the capital account credit sale, see there, by balance brought down, Amir காலத்தில் 80 and Raja காலத்தில் 70, and ரோஜில் ஒரு hyphen போட்டு பழகிங்க. By balance brought down first. Okay, then next, what's the balance sheet adjustment? Anything அப்படின்னு சொன்னோம்லமா? See the balance sheet items, any adjustment? Yes, reserve fund already we marked, and no profit or loss account, leave it, only reserve fund. Therefore by reserve fund, by reserve fund 15,000. அது 3 by 5, 2 by 5 போட்டிங்கன்னா 9,000, 6,000. First partner 9, second partner 6. Over. The balance sheet items over. Now come to adjustment ma. Adjustment என்ன சொல்றான்? Rohit is admitted as a new partner who introduced 30,000 for his 1/5 share. Therefore bank account debtor to new partner Rohit capital account. Therefore capital account la by bank see second item போட்டுக்கிறோம் by bank 30,000 போட்டுச்சேம்மா that next ma and he brings 10,000 for his share of goodwill. Therefore the journal is bank account data to old partners capital account. Bank account data to old partners. See last item or star mark வச்சு bracket la போட்டுக்கலாம் பாருமா by bank. அதே 10,000 3:2 share பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get 6 and 4 over that. Next ma revaluation. Yes, revaluation. See after this goodwill also revaluation. Yes, we prepared already revaluation account and we got revaluation result as profit. See 13,200 800. Therefore by revaluation Amir first part 13,200 second part 8,800 over ella post பண்ணியாச்சா? Yes. Whether we omitted anything there? No, nothing. Now if you balance this you will get I think credit side total first partner இருக்குமா if you add all these things 200 9 plus 9 18 remainder 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 8 10 yes 108 200 first partner total. Second partner 70 plus 6 76 plus 8 84 plus 4 88 plus 800 88 800 second partner total. Third partner 30,000. Put the same amount in the debit side 108 200 88 800 and 30,000. Then above that as usual as we know very well balancing of ledger accounts to balance carry down the same amount no debit posting because therefore 108 200 88 800 and 30,000. Good. The same thing becomes as balance brought down. Therefore by balance brought down 108 200 88 800 and 30,000. That's all. Okay ma. So we finish second part. So here note in mind all the goodwill shared in the sacrificing ratio because sacrifice is not given ங்கறதுனால we assume the old ratio itself is sacrificing ratio. அத அந்த hint ஒன்னு கொடுத்துக்கறேன் பாத்துங்க. Okay, that below it in this sum he brought both cash as his capital and for his share of goodwill. So we need to open what bank account. Okay va that's what. So already bank balance how much in the old balance sheet? Old balance the bank balance 20,000. That will come as first posting in bank account to balance brought down. See that to balance brought down. Okay, and what he brought capital. Therefore bank account data to Rohit capital போட்டோம்னா by bank capital போட்டோம்ல அதே மாதிரி இப்போ bankல to Rohit capital 30,000 and also his share of goodwill to Amish 6,000 to Raja 4,000 capital accountல by bank share of goodwill போட்டோம்லமா அதே மாதிரி இப்போ bankல to Amish and to Raja's capital 6 and 4 that's all bank account posting. Now if you balance it ma you will get total bank balance that 20 plus 30 50 plus 6 56 plus 4 60. Yes, by balance carried down and to balance brought down. That's all. Then the final part now. Shall we move to final part ma? That is balance sheet. So as per the old balance sheet we are going to post in this same order. Therefore what old balance sheet begins with what? Where's the old balance sheet? Old balance sheet first begins with the capital. Reserve fund will not come. Capital, new capital what we got we are going to post there and creditors 35,000. Therefore capital ma creditors alone. Capital எவ்வளவு கண்டுபிடிச்சோமா? Yes, brought down this 108 200 88 800 30,000. So balance sheet lama 108 200 88 800 30,000 and creditors 35,000. That's all in the old balance sheet. ஏன்னா ஓல்டு பேலன்ஸ் ஷீட்டில் இருக்கிற ஐட்டத்தை அப்படியே அதே ஆர்டரில் we are going to transfer. அப்போ தான் nothing we may omit. Then shall we go to asset side of old balance sheet மா? Asset side of old balance sheet பார்க்கும்போது yes. See, this is the asset side. Already having adjustment we marked machinery, furniture and stock. These three to be entered in inner column. Machinery, furniture, stock. Shall we see ma? Machinery, furniture, stock, whether we post in inner column. Machinery 60, furniture 40 and stock 10. We posted all in inner column. Then debtors 30,000 outer column, no adjustment. Then prepaid insurance 40,000. Prepaid insurance. Then cash at bank. Cash at bank account நம்ம ஓப்பன் பண்ண முடியுமா? பேங்க் அக்கௌண்ட்டில் எவ்வளோ இதான பேங்க் 60,000. பேங்க்கை வந்து 60,000 போட்டுக்குவோம். That's all. Now what are the adjustment? Adjustment என்ன பார்த்தோம்? Yes. Stock to be appreciated to 14,000. So stock la add appreciation 4,000. Stock parama add appreciation 4,000. Therefore 10 plus 4 14 as per the adjustment. Then furniture depreciation. Depreciation எவ்வளோமா? Furniture 5%. Yes, 5% 40,000 2,000. Therefore 40 minus 2 38 outer column. Then machinery valued 80,000. Machinery lingama yes, old was 60, odd appreciation 20. Therefore transfer to outer column 60 plus 20 80. 60 plus 20 80. Outer column we transfer. Yes. Now check up ma everything we add na add பண்ணிக்கிறோமா less na less பண்ணிக்கிறோமா and finally we transfer the entire amount to outer column. அப்படியே செக் பண்ணிக்கங்க. Then செக் பண்ணிட்டு now you can add. அப்படி ஆட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா then in the debit liability side only two items, capital and creditors. ஆட் பண்ணி பார்த்தோம்னா 7 plus 5 12, remaining 1, 1 plus 3 4 plus 2 6. Therefore 2,62,000 in the liability side. Check up in the asset side whether we are getting the same amount. Yes. 4 plus 8 12. 12 2, remainder 1, 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 1 12, 12 plus 3 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 8 26. Therefore both side we got same answer as 2,62,000 both side. That's all. Okay ba? So dear students, this sums over now illustration and similar to that one the same type of. So what I taught yesterday ma two problems and I have given you similar to that some illustrations. Similarly now I taught one illustration similar to that one problem you must do the same type of problem, the same number 26 textbook la, and the 26th sum you must do as a test, not in mind. ஏன்னா கொஞ்சம் நீ யூஸ் யுவர் பிரெயின். வாட் ஐ டாட் இல்லஸ் the same here, maybe name and amount also maybe differ, but all other treatment the same only. Okay ma? So I believe the 26 sum you can do as test and take photo and send to me. And the final stage, next only one more sum, that last stage that we are going to see in the next class. Okay, with that I would like to finish this class. Bye, see you.